Hey guys, does your trash can smell like fermenting meat and produce all baked into one under the sun? Well, this one sure does. The good folks over at HOKOWE gifted me this odor control deodorizer to try it out and let you know what I think about it. So let's go put some out in the trash can and see if it really works. Now they say you don't need to put a whole lot in there. But, I don't know. This thing needs a lot. We're going to try it. That actually smells really good. Kind of got a lemony citrus smell to it. Smells good. Now, let's see if it works. And you can use it on the indoor trash as well. Of course, I will just take the trash bag out if it stinks. But if you had some of this deodorizer down in here, you wouldn't have to carry out the trash quite as often when you had some stinky trash in it. I'm going to put some of this in here too and put another bag in there. Man, that really does smell good. And it don't take a whole lot. Just put your some in there. Making the whole kitchen smell better, actually. Okay, let's take the garbage out and see how the big trash can smells now. Well, I don't really know if it's had enough time to work or not, but we'll see. Hey, you know, that smells better already. I can still smell a little bit in there, but not near as bad as what it was. Probably in another hour or two. Not real sure how long it'll take to really work completely, but within just, 20 minutes, it already smells better. Okay guys, well this is working really well. I was looking over here on the side and it says to use 1 to 2 cups on the bottom of an empty trash bin to form a moisture absorbing odor blocking layer. And step 2, it says when the bin is half full, you can put another 1 to 2 cups on there if you'd like. Also, for longer lasting freshness, sprinkle 1 to 2 cups on the top layer of the trash. I think we just need it at the bottom layer. I think that will suffice just fine. And that trash can out there, believe me, it needed some management, that's for sure. Anyway, there it is, folks. I think it's going to do a fine job. It really smells good. And that trash can out there stunk really bad. And it already smells 90% better. I think in a little while, it's going to be 100%. I don't really have much of a doubt. So definitely a thumbs up in my book. I like it. If you want to read more about this and possibly order you some, I'll put a link down in the description where you can click on it and go check it out. Also, it does come in different sizes of containers as well. So go check it out. Might be something that you're in the need of. In the meantime, you can check out this playlist right over here. Might be something else in there you'd be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.